So this is our line of key fob hardware. These are pieces that come with a B2020, our key ring, in a 1-inch interior dimension attached in both 1.25 inches and a 1-inch. They're coming in our 5 standard finishes: PVD black matte, shiny nickel, nickel matte, antique brass, and brass. You can install, I'm going to show you, up to 7.5 ounces or 15 ounces total, 7.5 ounces per piece, as you can see here. 7.5 ounces, which is roughly 2.9 millimeters. Inside of here is 6 millimeters of height. So you can use lighter weight. You can use 4.5 ounces, 2 layers of 4.5 ounce. What you'll have to do is you'll just have to shim it to just avoid the looseness inside. So you can put a piece in between and put it inside. You can use leather. You can use webbing. What we're going to show you is how to install it. We do not do these with screws. Sometimes you can do it, sometimes not. What we recommend is a strong adhesive glue for installing. Little trick, this is leather. This is a 7.5 ounce Horween piece of leather, is cut the sides. If you nip the sides, it's going to be easier to slide in. Here we are. You would apply your epoxy inside, right in. With webbing, this is 1.25 inch webbing. So as you can see, I haven't nipped the sides here on the webbing, so it makes it a little bit more difficult to get in. So if I take this, just a little nip. So now, again, you've installed the adhesive on the inside. It just goes in a lot easier. So that's how you use our key fob hardware.